Okay, so this is a front lever beginner tutorial. So if you've never done a front lever before, this is the video to watch. The front lever does come with some technique, but the most important part is the strength, which is often disregarded because of the technique that is needed for the front lever. But the technique is actually pretty simple, so let's start this video with explaining how to do the technique. So first of all, the grip is important when starting out. You have some options. Some people like to go supinated, but I like to go pronated, where you have your palms over the bar. I like to do my thumbs around the bar, so I'm really gripping the bar instead of placing my thumb on top. This is because so I can squeeze the bar better. If I can squeeze the bar very hard, all the tension runs better through my arm, at least I feel like it does. So this definitely helped me in the beginning, so absolutely grip the bar as tight as you can. Now the second step with the front lever is understanding that it is a straight arm move. So instead of having our arms bent like this, we extend them to as much as we can so we form a straight line. So if we grip the bar, we straighten our arms, and it's not that when we do a front lever, we're hanging like this. No, we're hanging like that. So from grip to straighten your elbows, to shoulder position. Shoulder position is very important because we don't want to hang into our shoulder like this. We want to open up our chest a bit, push our shoulders down and slightly retract them. So my torso is at the exact same position. Right now I can easily touch the bar, but if I would do proper front lever form, I cannot touch the bar because my scapula is all the way back. But, very important note, excuse me, coffee burping up. The scapula position is important, but do not stress yourself if you cannot fully retract your scapula. This is no need. Getting close to neutral, so don't be like this, don't be all the way like this, but having them slightly neutral is great, and this is all you need to worry about at the beginning. Next up is core, so we want to squeeze our core. We want to be as a solid steel line, okay? So we don't want to be like a wet noodle, we want to be strong and tight. Okay, so let's recap a bit. Are you keeping up? Are you writing everything down? We want to grip the bar, thumbs around the bar. We want to squeeze as hard as we can. We want to lock our elbows. We want our shoulder position to be down and backwards, opening up our chest a bit. We want to brace our core as tight as we can. We set up position, we jump in, and oh no, we cannot hold it. Now why are we not able to hold it? This is because of the thing I explained in the beginning. This is a strength problem. So even though we understand the technique, we know that we grip, we know that we straighten our arms, we know that we push down, we still can't hold it. This is because of lack of strength, and I'm not meaning to insult you, but this is the truth. So if you do not currently have the strength to hold a tucked front lever, where we fully get our knees towards our chest and do the same form, and if we do everything right, we'll end up something like this. If you cannot hold this, it means you have to go a step backwards. And this step backwards is where we use the ground to support ourselves with our feet. So we have this bar, we're going to grab it, we're going to apply the exact same form instructions as just said. So grip the bar, lock arms, get your shoulder position right, squeeze your abs, and then with your feet assisted, we're going to push into the floor while simultaneously pushing down with our arms like we're doing a front lever. So that would look something like this. So right now I am hanging, I am pushing into the bar, and I'm also supporting my feet with a hip bridge. So we want a position like this, and we do want to hold this for around 20 seconds before like actually moving on. This is just basic grip strength, and this is what we need in order to move on to the next step. So in the next step, we're going to do the same principle, but we're going to tuck one leg in. And that would look something like this. So we push it to the floor like that. One leg goes in, and what we can do is pull the second leg in, but warning, watch your knee. Don't be like this and then boom, hit your knee. That hurts. That hurt. Okay, so when set in position, go like this, pull in one knee, and then pull in the second knee, and kind of roll all the way over until we're upside down. So what we want is we want our feet touching the bar. So one more time, we're going to grip the bar, we're going to place like this, one knee in, second knee in, and lean all the way back so we're upside down. From this position, I also want you to be able to hold this for 20 seconds at least. Watch your scapula position, don't be protracted, be a bit retracted, just like that. Okay, so if we are able to do that inverted hang for around 20 seconds, what we can do is slowly lower ourselves into the tucked front lever position. So that would look something like this. Grab the bar, jump over, look like that, gain control, don't swing, okay, stay steady, stay steady. And from here, we're slowly lowering our hips. Slowly, 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 boom. That's it, that's the exercise. So I call this a front lever negative. It's where we go from the inverted position, slowly lower ourselves down until we are horizontal. If you're able to do this, and you can go very slowly, you can go very slowly, and you can stop yourself at the horizontal position. Instead of trying to hold it, try to go back into the inverted position with straight arms. So we're going to lower, 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 and then we're going to explosively pull our arms down again, so we go into the inverted position again. So that would look something like this. So we go in, jump in, just like that. Lower, lower, lower. Now I'm horizontal, and now I'm going to pull back. Pull back. Pull back. These are called front lever pulls. Now front lever pulls is the absolute best exercise to improve your front lever. So if we can do this for a few reps, let's say 8 reps, so we can rep those out 8 times in a row, we are probably almost or already ready for the advanced tuck front lever that I showed at the beginning. So in order to go into the advanced tuck front lever, all we have to do is go from knees onto our chest to opening up our knees so they go behind the bar. So a tuck front lever, this is a tuck front lever, just like that. And for an advanced tuck front lever, we're going to open up our hips so our knees are behind the bar. As you can see, I already start shaking because the exercise is a lot more difficult. That's why you need a good base. That's why I told you to first hang for 20 seconds like that, then hang for 20 seconds upside down, then go for the pulls, 8 reps, even the negatives in between. Build up slowly. And if you train for long enough, eventually you will be able to do the advanced tuck front lever. And a next progression you can do, which is not part of this video, I didn't plan this, but let's say it anyway, is that we learn the inverted hang, but then the real version. Not that the other one is fake, but yeah, this version is where you fully go upside down. So you don't stay like this, but you are in a straight line like that. And from here, we can do the negative exercise again, but this time for the advanced tucked. So when we get to this level, things do start to get interesting as we are getting quite strong. Now in order to get a very strong advanced tuck front lever, we want to do advanced tuck front lever pulls. And instead of doing them like this, so advanced front lever, then doing a pull like that, we're going to do it like this. So going advanced tuck front lever, gonna pull to there. Whoppa. Just like that. So yeah, this was just a quick front lever beginner tutorial. Please follow the steps step by step and don't rush into movements that you cannot do yet. Okay? Build up slowly, do it safely, do it in an intelligent way. Don't just jump in and hurt yourself. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I want to wish you good luck and see you next week. Bye bye.